Peloton troubleshooting pedal and crank issues. Pedal and crank issues can affect your Peloton experience. Fixing these problems ensures a smooth ride. Below are common issues and their solutions. Loose pedals. Loose pedals can cause discomfort and safety risks. Follow these steps to fix them. 1. Use a pedal wrench to tighten the pedals. 2. Turn the right pedal clockwise. 3. Turn the left pedal counterclockwise. Check the pedals regularly to keep them secure. Crank noise solutions. Crank noise can be annoying. It often indicates a deeper issue. Here are steps to resolve crank noise. Inspect the crank arms, ensure they are tight. Lubricate the crank. Use a suitable lubricant. Check for damage. Look for any visible wear. Adjust the chain, ensure it is properly aligned. Regular maintenance can prevent crank noise issues. This video will be useful and you will like it. Please subscribe this channel to get new videos. Your love is always desirable for us. Finally, don't forget to like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching video.